Hi everybody, today I want to revisit the CAD grips in Trimble Business Center. So I have opened a blank template and now I'm gonna create a new polyline with lots of segments just for the purpose of our demo, something like that. And when you click on the line, as you can see, it shows the CAD grips. However, why is it just showing few CAD grips on each side whenever I click? At this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there is a new setting, don't know since when, but I was asked this question the other day. Under your options and display, there is turn on CAD grips. Obviously, when you turn them off, there are no CAD grips, and if you want to edit or change the shape of this polyline, you would have to edit it as a line string. If you turn it back on, adjacent segment, that's the magic number. So right now I have it turned on as 5, and as you can see, it's 5 on each side of the segment I have clicked. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clicked on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can keep on modifying. If you want to modify something here, you would have to click the line there, and not a big deal. However, if you want to show all of them all the time, you can go to 100 and it's gonna show all of the segments here. So don't forget to subscribe, and this has been a quick tip for the CAD grips on the polylines, where you can easily change the polylines. Another quick tip is if you double click the triangle, it's gonna turn your polyline into an arc, so you can start creating some weird shapes if you need to. Hope you enjoyed it, and there are more videos on my channel. See you next time.